iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Swallows Football Club 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2 in the DStv Premiership on a Wednesday evening. Caleb Bimenyimana, he's the Black Panther. Tso Vilakazi, our analyst, but a hip hop artist. Caleb Bimenyimana, he's the Black Panther.
There's a girl good John.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm also when I'm fit too. I'm also Justice. I'm also Drake. I'm also uDu. I'm also Namakaya. I'm supporting iDiskiTV. So, I'm just going to foot.
What is hip hop artist?
I'm going to Maz. I'm going to Caleb Nanan. I'm touching the Makamo DJ Khaled. I'm going to artist. The artist. I'm Maz.
DJ Khaled to sign a Sundowns. I think God did.
Yeah.
Another one.
That's why I say artist. Because man, jabona labo DJ Khaled bangla phana kulento lena yabo Jay-Z la phana powerful. La Rock Nation powerful kakhulu. Mizankewo. Well done to Chiefs for getting the 3 points. You know, yeah man, well done to them by 23 points, but when you look at how they play, I've got a lot of questions. Ukuthi Arthur ucoach kanjani team yakhe, where you'll see Frostler as a wing back is ngaphakathi, and when he gets inside now, who's going to occupy that area? You see Utlanti also does the very same thing. It comes in the middle. Now that block is open and no one is occupying that space. I don't know. And it's confusing because at the other end, when you look at him, especially second half, when you look at him, he was emphasizing of making a run. It means Sukhoda needs to come inside and then he must make a run outside. And I ask myself, and where are we scoring? Where are we scoring? We're scoring this side in the middle, or we're scoring on the width? Because if you make a run outside, it means it's all about crosses. Yes, I do understand what he's got Ukhulumela, Blapana, Tolman, but you can't play like that all the time that a Paula must go wide. But nevertheless, yeah, but Alaganjalo, the midfield Chiefs, I think uDu will suit that role of playing in front of these two guys. But again, if you really we analyze the Swallows or other, you'll identify man, look, I can't have two defensive midfielders against Swallows. I mean, those boys are young boys against the players that we have in like Chiefs. So I must put attacking players, and but it didn't happen like that. And Swallows, look, well done, go Nyatama. Yes, yeah. Don't follow me, follow the page.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, Nyatama, he's doing very well. He's doing very well. Yes, we can argue in terms of the experience of being a coach and all of that. But if you really watch that team, really, you will see Ugutum Sevens Wako corner, because in the second half it was totally a Swallows team, because they've played most of their time in the half Chiefs. They've created chances, even first half they've created chances, and it was just one of those nights where I believe Uguti, even if they had 2 games in the pants of foot, there was no way I think Uguti Swallows will beat Chiefs.
Right. Last one, what's wrong with Ashley Du Preez?
Listen, I just want us, tennis coaches, see, we are the ones that are building these players. We are the ones that are destroying these players again. When I get you from Stellenbosch, I need to. There's a lot of dynamics in the game. I need to understand the way Bodalanga Kona Lapana Stellenbosch in their play system. They were planning around you, or you were a part of the plan, including everyone in the team. Because sometimes things like this, they also plays the part in terms of the confidence of a player in the team.
I'm so sorry, sir. Can we not simply say that he's off form, is making wrong decisions? We can speculate about why. Is it not easy for you to say, off form, make the wrong decisions, pass to the wrong man, when he's 1-on-1 he misses? Is that not as obvious as that Uguti he's doing those things? And what can he do to improve this?
No, it's a build-up to that, towards that, because remember that if you come from a team that believes in you, a team that everyone works for you. And now you get to a team where you need to work with the other teams, with the other teammates. So it changed the mentality, the thinking part. Now I need to work. So now I need to what? I need to do things also.
Is it not missing opportunities? Is it not as simple as missing opportunities, making the... This is my player, actually. Yeah. This is a player I've always advertised, and he got his big move. But we are looking at him now, and we are able to criticize Kwame Pepra because he's a weak player, right? Now, this one, we must criticize too and not have favorites. Is he not missing one-on-ones? Is he not making mistakes? Is he not making the wrong decisions in the final third? And how can he improve that? You have that experience. You can impart it on him. We used to give him this advice even when he was a Stellenbosch, if you can remember. Yeah. He missed a sitter, Pirates, in front of a goal. There was no one there. Yeah. He missed it. He should have just tapped it in, and you gave him advice. Is it not as simple as telling him, receive ball, pass ball, get a space in? Don't overcomplicate it. Pakamisikanda, if you're in the final third, look at who's available. Play the simpler pass as opposed to making the complicated pass. Yeah,
I think now one thing that he needs to do now, just play the nearest man.
Yes.
It will build the confidence. Don't try, position your mind. You just need to get the good touches. Have a good touch, especially when percent. Ask your teammates to pass you the ball. You get that confidence, and then you play the nearest man, and then try and open and find a space for yourself and play it simple. The more you play simple, automatically it will open for you. You'll get an opportunity up front. The same thing that he was doing Stellenbosch, where he was playing simple. Get a ball, he will play it and make a run and open up. Then he will get that pass. Same applies now. He needs to do the very same thing. But now I think he's feeling the pressure of saying, we bought you as a striker, we want you to score. So that's why now he's also putting himself under pressure. He needs to deliver. So he just needs to go back to the basics of football. Just get a good touch, take it easy, play it, move, play the nearest man, and make sure that the player that you pass the ball, don't pass a player that you see maybe he's got a pressure, he's got somebody maybe behind him or somebody's coming tight on him. Because when he's going to play that back pass to you, you're also not in a good standing. Right. So you need to play it simple and it will come right.
Okay, there you go. That's Kaizer Chiefs winning against the Swallows Football Club. Swallows almost coming back into this game, but almost doesn't count. 3 points for Kaizer Chiefs. Well done. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.